So hello, my name is Pratheek Nagaraj, and today I'm going to be talking to you about Oblivious RAM, which is called ORAM. So we all use cloud storage solutions like Dropbox and Google Drive, and we often use encryption to try to obscure some of this information. The problem is encryption is often not enough to ensure the security of our data. Say we're storing really secret information about a financial account or medical data, it's often the case that just by when you access it and where you're accessing it in the cloud, and the number of times you access it, it can reveal important information about the data that you're storing. One study showed that 80% of your email or search history can be recovered from encrypted email data. So this is the motivation for the problem. And what we do is develop this idea of obliviousness, which means that if I'm an adversary and I'm trying to steal your data, how can I ensure, by building a structure, that the adversary cannot distinguish the important information that you're storing? And so we developed this concept of obliviousness, and it's basically we rearrange the data that we're using every time we access it. And we try to obfuscate some of this information. But we still want to make sure that we correctly query the information back. And so we develop these structures like trees that can accurately give us a structure to what our data is, but also if we're an adversary, we cannot tell where in the tree we're accessing or when it got rearranged or the state of the tree. And that provides us this abstraction for obliviousness. So in the end, what this is, we can develop better confidentiality systems in the cloud for cloud storage solutions or cloud computation. We can provide authentication to make sure that only authenticated users, so the correct user, is accessing your data. And additionally, it leads to enhancements in parallelism, so we can use parallel algorithms to better query some of the data without costing extra computation.